Hey, 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 hey.
Hi.
Hi, future us. We raided our 1970s closets. 80s maybe, I don't know. I was dead back then. But we are going whitewater rafting on a creek.
Yep.
We need to build a boat.
Tim doesn't want to go get the canoe from the cabin, so we have to build a boat. There's still a bit of snow on the ground here.
I found a paddle.
Tim found a paddle. That's good. We've got one paddle. And there's a deer behind you. Okay. All right. Okay. Any boat materials here?
What the hell? I have this. He could be our mascot.
So we did find a boat. It's a little large though. So we've been looking for a while now. Haven't.
Day one.
Stop.
I'm updating them.
No, I already am.
I'm updating it.
Stop.
Day
We've
one,
been looking for a while. We haven't really had too much success finding anything, but just now.
Day one, we found a bucket.
So this here could be an option. We're not sure if it would float, and it looks kind of tight. But if it is our only option,
Tight like our abs.
this is what we're gonna go with if this is the only thing we find. Very good news. We've just found 3 bathtubs, which pretty much means boats where I come from. So we came across another boat here, but I think for now we're just gonna go with the bathtubs because they're, you know, more luxurious, and
I found a motorcycle.
there's a motorcycle here, but that's not gonna help us go down the creek. I'm kind of surprised at how many bathtubs are just around the farm casually. So the reason that we are planning on whitewater rafting is the water level's fairly high, or at least last time we checked, which was, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. So it's probably half of the height it was when we checked the other day. It was probably up to right about there. Now it's all the way down here, which is still, I mean, fairly high, but nowhere near as high as it used to be. So, and it's very cold today. We may have to just save this adventure for another time. It's high over here yet. And here comes Tim back again. So we have found an option, the submarine. However, it's got air holes, so it might not work, but it's a maybe. It is far too cold, and the water is far too low for us to do this today. So maybe when we come back, we'll be using an actual boat and not a bathtub.